Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update. Open Settings to check iOS version and create a quick backup. This protects you if something fails. Once done, plug into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network so the phone won't interrupt downloads. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and that the device you're updating is within a few feet, powered on, and discoverable. These steps reduce connection drops and make the next actions smooth and predictable. You now retrieve and apply the firmware update. If the accessory uses its own app, open it and follow the update dialog. Many Bluetooth products deliver firmware through their companion apps. Otherwise, check Settings General About for device-specific updates. Start the download and keep the iPhone screen awake so iOS doesn't suspend the connection. Make sure you stay within range and avoid switching apps or restarting the phone. Interrupting the transfer can corrupt firmware and require a retry or reset. You finish by verifying success and addressing problems. After installation, check the accessory's version number and run quick tests, audio, controls, or sensors depending on the device. If it won't pair, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart your iPhone and attempt pairing again. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords because this clears saved networks and Bluetooth pairings. That reset usually resolves stubborn connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.